Welcome to today's video, and I'm currently standing on Nishi course here at Ebisu because this is what they use for the car park when there's a D1 event at Minami. I'm parked all the way over there. You can probably just see the pink Yashio Factory S15 there. Anyways, we have to walk all the way up here, which is, this is so weird. I've never walked like in this area on Nishi course. So we walk up onto the back straight here, and then we walk down in there into Minami. It's all kind of connected. I think if you guys saw the drone shot, which I'll throw in, you'll see that where I'm literally standing right now, you can kind of like cross over down into Minami, which is really cool. Anyways, let's pick things up once we get there. I'm keen to see some of the big guys hit that jump. Hopefully the wall doesn't claim too many cars today, and everything will be sick. So I'm running a little bit late today. I decided to sleep in after the mammoth of the day that was yesterday. I slept for like 3.5 hours, woke up at 4 AM, then drove for 4 hours to Ebisu Circuit, drifted all day, got to the hotel, edited, and didn't really go to sleep till midnight. So I was like, you know what, Sam, you deserve a bit of a sleep in. And I'm here for the 2 days. We're not just coming today, we're coming tomorrow as well. So I'm pretty hyped. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. Man, that sounds good. You guys have no idea how excited I am that the PMU booth is here. Gonna get some new brakes for the Skyline. I'm gonna buy another one of those new hats. My other one I've worn to death and I love it so much. We'll come back later and get it. Seriously, coming to these events, it's not only good to watch the drifting, but the discounts you get at all these shops are actually epic, like 20–30% off. It's practically cost price. So unfortunately, where we're sitting, you can't actually see the jump too well, but you do get to see this whole end section of the course here, which is actually really important with all these points here, clipping points and whatnot, or sectors as they call it with the DOS system. So we got someone who's about to come now. Let's see how they do. Pretty cool. Looked like he had a bit of a wobble here in this section. Not sure what that was, but man, that was cool. All right, here comes your koi, guys. Jeez. Oh man. That limiter sounds nuts. All right, so the first battle of today is about to start. Here we go. Oh no! What happened? I don't know what happened there with that proximity. It sucks when you have to play catch up like that the whole run. All right, let's see how they go now. Damn, that was some really good proximity towards the end there. Very nice. We got Daigo and he's going up against R31 House's driver. Let's see how they go. It's going to be very interesting. Whoa. Damn. Hell yeah, that was brilliant at the end there. I just realized we can see the jump through there too. I'll make sure we get that in the next shot. So now Daigo's in the chase position. Let's see how he goes. We should see him come through here and hit the jump. Oh, that's deep. That's deep. Yo, that was a little bit sketchy. That was sketchy. They got deep in there. Wow. Well, this is weird. I didn't pull out the camera because Nalki was just doing a practice lap and he literally just went straight into the lower tire pile there. Yikes, I hope the car's okay, nothing's broken and he'll be able to compete. That's gotta suck. He wasn't even going hard, like just a practice lap. So weird. Oh man, anything but a forklift. That sucks. Oh, I hate seeing cars picked up with that. Yikes. That does not look good. Looks like whole lower control arm snapped off. That's bad. Oh man. Man, that sucks. We don't even get to see Nalki in a battle now. F in chat, boys. Massive F in chat. Alright, here we go. Got a battle with Kawabata. Wow. Massive mistakes from Kawabata-san. He just has not been driving comfortably in that chassis with that engine setup since he got it. I hope you guys are ready. We got Daigo versus Kawabata right now. This is going to be intense. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Something's wrong with Kawabata-san's car. Alright, we got Yokoi versus Fujino. Damn, that was everything we wanted from Kawabata and Daigo battle. Damn, Yokoi always brings it. We got Daigo versus Evino. Oh! Evino's got problems. Damn, that was setting up to be perfect. So Yokoi versus Kohashi. A good chase. Oh my gosh. Got Daigo versus Kohashi. Daigo's gonna actually put in some effort now. Wow. Daigo getting gapped. I don't think he's gonna recover from that. I think it was very clear from that last battle that Kohashi's definitely got the win. It's starting to rain and I'm trying to bounce now before the ceremony starts, just so I don't have to deal with traffic or anything like that. I need to go pick up some parts that we got from the PMU booth and things, which I'll show you. We got some stuff for the Skyline here, which I'm really excited about because I've been putting off this issue for a long time. Yeah. Well, that was the most painful walk I've ever done in my life. Note to self, guys, when you buy a bunch of brake stuff, don't then walk for like a kilometer trying to hold everything, because that was heavy. So, Project Mu, they always are set up at these drift events like this, whether it's Formula Drift, whether it's D1GP or any other events like, you know, SR meeting or the GTR meetings and stuff, and they sell everything so cheap. And I've been wanting to splurge on brakes for the Skyline for the longest time, and I was finally able to afford to buy a bunch. So we've got their it comes with like all the slots and the rotors and everything, but this is essentially their one-piece set. Now normally these are $300. Well, it's about 30,000 yen. If you buy them online they can be a bit more as well, but I got these for today just under $200. And then I got pads with them. They're D1 spec pads and all that kind of stuff. Now that's just the front ones. They don't have any rear ones in stock, so I placed the order for those and they're going to ship them directly to my house. But yeah, they They hooked it up with a bunch of stuff as well, like free shirt and some free brake fluid, which is pretty sick. What dot rating is that? Does it even have that? Is that just an American and like Westerner thing where they give like a dot rating? It's not even on the front. That's interesting, hey, like, because in Australia and the US, they're all about like .5, .4, and I don't see anything on that. Here are the pads for the front. Pretty excited to run all this stuff. And I got a pink shirt because I was like, you know, pink car, pink shirt, why not, right? So, that's that. Oh, I got, I think I told you guys this when I was there, but I destroyed, like absolutely wore to death my PMU snapback. So I was really happy that I was able to get another one. Identical one. They stopped making these, so you can generally only get them when they bring out old stock. So that's pretty cool. I also splurged on a bit of other stuff. I got like a Team Orange hat and stuff like that. Just normal knickknacks and things, because why not, right? So that's my haul for today. Didn't think I'd turn this video into a D1 merch haul video, but meh. Anyways, I'm gonna try and find a spot for this to all fit in my car. I forgot it's packed full of everything. Hopefully I've got room in the back. Seriously, the views and stuff like that out here around Ebisu Circuit are epic. So just cruising on the way back to the hotel, and I have to say, today was pretty epic. Really enjoyed it, got to watch the pros, try and like watch what they're doing technique-wise and how they're using the throttle and whatnot. It was pretty sick. Really disappointed and upset that Nalki couldn't show us what's up, but hopefully he'll be driving tomorrow. So we should be able to see that. I have to also say I was pretty disappointed with the Kawabata versus Daigo battle. I was expecting that to be way more intense, but in the end we got to see Daigo and Kohashi go at it, and that was pretty much everything I was expecting in the other one. So it was pretty epic. It's kind of hard to film at events like that, especially when like, you know, you're just there to watch. Maybe next time I'll talk to some friends that work on teams and stuff like that behind the scenes, and maybe we can get in there, and I think that'll be a really cool perspective to be able to vlog. So I'll work on that, but for now I'm gonna stop into this Family Mart, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna chill at the hotel and see if we're gonna get up to any shenanigans later tonight. So time warping ahead, I am in the lobby of the hotel and they've just given me access to the simulator. I'm super pumped. It obviously runs a set of Corsa, so we got that set up there. They've even got the Tando Buddy car package as well. So I'm gonna pretty much just get some settings in the feedback right on the steering wheel, just make sure I'm comfortable with it. And then I'm gonna try to, I guess, try to drift it. I've never had much luck with like looking good in a simulator. I don't know why, I just struggle with it. Like mainly because I just don't feel the G-forces I feel, but as you guys know, I am building a simulator for home because I do believe in the theory and the practice behind, you know, this is really good for getting that muscle memory and things like that. So anyways, I'm gonna set it down, the camera, and hopefully we get a few good laps in and I don't suck that much. So I decided to go with North Course. I'm gonna see, maybe I should actually probably just check tires. What do we got? Compound is, should I just up them a little bit maybe? I think 225s will be fine. Let's just make sure that the rears have got really low pressure. Let's go to 20 and just see. That should help. Well, yeah, we should be good there, I think. Let's just give it a go and see. I also just grabbed a 180 SX too, just a Tando Buddies 180. That's normally a pretty good car that feels okay. So I'm gonna set the camera down and I'm gonna do a few laps and see if I don't suck as much. Doing in the cold. So by no means am I any good at simulators. I hope to though. That's the whole reason why I kind of bought a wheel and everything at home, why I'm building something like this. Not this big though with the TV screens and stuff, just something small with like a, you know, I do need to get like an actual mount and a seat and stuff like that. And hopefully I can try to get like, I don't know, the feeling down. It's so weird, like only doing everything via muscle memory, not feeling any of the G's of the car or anything like that. It's bizarre. Anyways, hopefully I can get good at it. So here's where I'm gonna actually end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really did struggle and found it difficult filming at the D1 event, like just filming run after run. I'm gonna try a lot harder tomorrow and try to actually make it feel more like a vlog, but obviously still have lots of driving content. So with that guys, smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out, Jamata.